accurate by Weather Rate.
Appreciate it, Trey. Well, the field is melted with snow from Baum-Walker Stadium, and that's awesome because Razorbacks getting back to practice, and they'll be soaking up the sunshine. We're getting close to baseball season, at least those game openers in Baum-Walker. You can see time-lapse showing some clouds here and there. It felt a little more like winter, but I love this right at the end, just a little light at the end of the tunnel, which is exactly what we have in our weather forecast as those temperatures will be starting to warm as early as tomorrow, late morning into the afternoon. Now, tomorrow morning will still be a little chilly. There you see lower 40s for highs today, mid 40s and upper 40s in the River Valley. But that warmer weather off to our west, that's moving our way, and we are about to see some nice weather over the next several days. Still some snow and sleet piles that remain, but it's very limited now. If it's in the shaded areas, any areas facing north, buildings that are blocking the sun, trees, you'll still probably have a little bit of that snow. It's amazing how long it lasted, but I'm not surprised at all. 39 degrees right now with the pressure pretty high, so you don't have to worry about any big weather systems moving in. There we see a little bit of that snow and sleet. This is Harbor High School. A beautiful shot of the sunset tonight. Love that blue above the cloud deck. And the temperatures in the mid to upper 30s to lower 40s. So we did drop off a little bit. Northerly winds are going to shift to the south and southwest tomorrow, and that is going to start a pretty tremendous warming trend. And I don't know about you, but today was kind of a bummer. It was like a tease yesterday, felt feeling good, feeling warm, and then all of a sudden, as expected, that little cool blast moved in. Well, there's the front pushing to the southeast. That storm system is moving out. Our next one won't be moving in until Tuesday into Wednesday of next week, and I'll highlight that. But this ridge of high pressure will be building off to our west, and that's going to lead to some really nice weather. Now, overnight tonight, still a little bit cold. We drop down to below freezing, right around upper 20s, mid 20s. Those westerly winds, though, start kicking in, and we will have a little bit of a breeze, but it's going to be essentially a warming wind as we hover in the mid to upper 50s. And you see that on the two-day forecast timeline. You can pick an hour and know what you can expect for the weather that day. Upper 50s expected, and then upper 60s, close to 70 on Friday. River Valley will get into the 70s, and I think some 70s are in northwest Arkansas's future as well. So what's the weather pattern going to do next week? Big ridge of high pressure will start to break down. We'll see this big storm system that's off to the west make its way eastward. But remember, I showed you before the commercial break, we had two systems. Those two are going to merge together, eventually becoming a large system that will bring us a little bit of rain. Now, as of now, most of the energy is focused a little bit farther south. We know that there's energy right there. That will rain Friday into Saturday of next week, depending on the timing. A lot of southwesterly flow, so you can pretty much bank on a wet weather pattern, even though the models are still a little uncertain on that. But we are looking at some definitely soggy weather, which is great. This is a blessing as we've been so dry, and the new drop monitor coming out here within a couple of days. And you'll see on the future track, well, the GFS doesn't have a clue, as typical. Here's a look at our 7-day forecast. Upper 50s on Thursday, Friday in the upper 60s. Look at that warming. Cold front moving through, and that will drop the temperature just a few degrees. Not like a cold front we saw today. And hey, what about 6 more weeks of winter? Not this weekend. Feeling amazing. Get out and enjoy it. We got that wet weather coming next week, starting Tuesday, Wednesday, and beyond as an active weather pattern will set up. But enjoy tomorrow. It'll be a beautiful one. We're back after this.